This wasn't a shop turning away, like a barber shop turning away a gay person. This was a very specific request for the Christian baker to engage in an expressive act contrary to his own conscience. Am I correct in that?
Yeah, it's a really disturbing case once you get into the details of it, especially for someone like me who is truly a libertarian on this subject. I've lived my life in the arts. I've worked with all and known and befriended a lot of gay people through my life, and only want the best for them. But this is a true abuse. The guy is a Christian baker. He considers his baking, his cake making, an art. He's got a palette as part of his logo on the shop. And they came in, a gay couple came in and asked for a wedding cake for their wedding. He had previously turned down other things that violated his Christian beliefs, like Halloween cakes, things with, kind of pornographic or adult elements. So this was not a first thing. He said to them, hey, I serve anybody here, he said, but I don't serve every occasion. You're welcome to buy anything that's in the shop, but I can't specifically make a cake, use my artistic expression to make a cake for your wedding, because that would violate my conscience, which seems to me as narrow, an ask as you could possibly get. Just a little bit of goodwill, a little bit of leaving other people alone would have, done a lot for the tenor of the country. No, the gay couple can't do that. They complain to the Colorado Civil Rights Commission. The commission not only rules against him, but disses his religion, says this is the kind of, use of religion that led to the Holocaust. They accuse him of all kinds of, it was amazing.
Because that's what the Holocaust was really about. Hitler wouldn't make cakes for the Jews. And don't you know, today it's cakes, and tomorrow it's a different kind of oven. I shouldn't make jokes. But what a horrific comparison. I didn't even know there was something called the Colorado Human Rights Commission. It sounds like there shouldn't be something.
Well, this is the thing. Completely unelected commission on which there have to be members who are part of the apparently excluded classes like LGBT people and stuff like this. So it's bound to be swing to the left. It's bound to be in favor of the LGBT. Previously, Ezra, once you hear the details of this case, it really makes your head catch fire. Previously, these guys had allowed that if you came in and wanted a cake that was against gay marriage, it was valid for the baker to say, no, I can't do that. But the other way, didn't work. So it goes to the Supreme Court. Another court rules against the baker. It goes to the Supreme Court. And unfortunately, even though it sounds like a good decision because it's 7-2, although how it could not have been 9-0, I don't know, but it's 7-2. They ruled very, very narrowly. All they said was the commission had been so bigoted, that Holocaust remark had been so over the top, that the guy had been treated unfairly, essentially. They did not rule on the bigger issue of free speech rights, freedom of religion rights, First Amendment rights, basically. They didn't rule on that at all. And basically, they left open the possibility that if this commission had just been a little bit more sneaky, if they had just hidden their hatred of Christianity, they might have gotten away with it.
That's an excerpt from my daily TV show, The Ezra Levant Show. Normally it's behind a paywall, but I thought you'd like this video, so we put it on YouTube. If you want to subscribe to watch the daily show every day, including always 2 interviews a day, and I read my hate mail, just click on this screen and become a premium member.